G'day all, we're here today with Steve from Muddy River, and we just want to have a chat about the new planter that's been released by Horsch and Muddy River. This machine was never traditionally available in a folding machine, and we're pretty excited to see it up here in Queensland. So Steve, what can you tell us?
Well, Steve, it's a 12-row 40-inch Maestro planter, so on basically an Orthman toolbar, folding wing, vertical fold, it'll fold up. With the boxes full of grain because it's got lockable lids on it. We developed this in conjunction with our team of guys. They built it, they've incorporated the vacuum into the toolbar here, so we've got the vacuum fan, we incorporated the vacuum through the toolbar so we don't have manifolds and everything sticking up out of the road. But basically this machine is it's electric drive, so you don't have any shafts or chains or sprockets or cables or anything driving the row unit. So it's a electric drive, 12-volt system, and we've got some hydraulic downforce on here. So all you see on the toolbar is your electric drive cables, and then this is your hydraulics for your hydraulic downforce.
So Steve, the Horsch has always been renowned for its 12-volt electric drive. Can you go through that with us, folks?
Yeah, well, here's our little electric drive motor here, and it goes through onto your disc. And on this disc here, it's just like a little sawtooth disc. So your seed sits in there, and as the electric drive motor's spinning around, it drops off here off the vacuum, drops down into your seed tube, and it gets counted. So your cotton, sorghum, corn, you name it, it drops down and away you go. And you can control your skips and doubles. Obviously if you've got skips, it's going to be a vacuum issue, but if you've got it doubles, you've got this little scraper knocker up here, we call it. So the further you move that down there, the more doubles it will take off. But it's a good system, very accurate, and that's been very reliable to date, and it allows you to, from the cab, you can turn off each row unit individually from the cab. Yep. Being electric drive, 12-volt, very simple.
Yeah. And in the cab, Steve, is it? It's got its own Horsch controller there that we're fitting.
You can have either. You can have a Horsch controller, or you can go ISO. So you can go ISO onto a 2630
onto the John Deere displays.
Yep. Straight up.
Okay. Steve, you're leaning on a bit of a wheel there that seems to be up in the middle of nowhere. What can you tell us about that?
Well, that's our info press wheel, or the Horsch called a catch wheel. So it's a rubberised catch wheel. So we'd have that normally up the other way, and it'd come up and it'd fit in just about here. So as soon as the seed comes out of the seed tube, bang, you've got that catch wheel there, just pressing the seed down into
like
the moisture.
Seed contact,
Yep. So it really gives you good positive seed contact there, and then closing wheels. They've done some testing with some different type of closing wheels. We haven't got one here today, but they're the combination of a rubber closing wheel with a finger type closing wheel has given really good results in germination. Just covers that, puts a bit of loose soil over top, and it's been a really good.
The main thing is getting that seed trench closed, obviously, when we're planting. So
for sure.
That's a great idea.